What's up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the CompTIA Security Plus 601 certification exam. So let's get into it. In this video, you're going to learn about DDoS attacks such as network DDoS, application DDoS, and operational technology. You will also learn about malicious code attacks such as PowerShell, Python, Bash, and Visual Basics for applications. Let's talk about a distributed denial of service attack. So a DDoS attack, this is a cyber attack in which the perpetrator seeks to make a machine or network resource unavailable to its intended users by temporarily or indefinitely disrupting services of a host connected to a network. Denial of service is typically accomplished by flooding the target machine or resources with an overabundant amount of requests in an attempt to overload systems and prevent some or all legitimate requests from being fulfilled. In a distributed denial of service attack, the incoming traffic flooding the victim originates from many different sources. This effectively makes it impossible to stop the attack simply by blocking a single source. And there are three types of DDoS attacks that you need to be concerned with in regards to the CompTIA Security Plus 601 certification exam. And the first one is called a network DDoS, and its aim is to target network infrastructure resources such as the bandwidth, CPU, and memory utilization of the underlying network infrastructure. Then you have an application DDoS, and it targets the resources of layer 7 applications and often leverages known vulnerabilities against specific software. And then you have this thing called operational technology. So this is hardware and software that detects or causes a change through the direct monitoring and or control of industrial equipment, assets, processes, and events. Threat actors are always trying to find ways to launch DOS attacks against operational technology environments and critical infrastructure. Let's talk about malicious code or script execution. So malicious code, this is the kind of harmful computer code or web script designed to create system vulnerabilities leading to backdoors, security breaches, information and data theft, and other potential damages to files and computing systems. It's a type of threat that may not be blocked by antivirus software on its own. Not all antivirus protection can treat certain infections caused by malicious code, which is different from malware. Malware specifically refers to malicious software, but malicious code includes website scripts that can exploit vulnerabilities in order to upload malware. And some of the malicious code or script languages that attackers have used to perform enumeration, create exploits, and employ post-exploitation techniques are, you have PowerShell, and this is a task automation and configuration management program from Microsoft consisting of a command line shell and the associated scripting language. You have Python. This is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language designed to emphasize code readability with its use of significant indentations. And you have Bash. This is a Unix shell command processor that typically runs in a text window where the user types commands that cause actions, and Bash can also read and execute commands from a file called a shell script. And then you have Visual Basic for applications, also known as VBA, and this is an event-driven programming capability in Microsoft operating systems and applications. So when code is written using VBA, the code is compiled to a Microsoft proprietary pseudocode. Applications such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook store this code as a separate stream in COM structured storage files such as .xls, .doc, .docx, and .pptx. And attackers, they can use VBA to create malicious macros and embed them in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint documents. These malicious macros can steal sensitive information, install keyloggers and Trojans, and perform other nefarious activities. All right, so this was my very quick class on DDoS attacks where we learned about network DDoS, application DDoS, and operational technology. And we also talked about malicious code attacks that involve PowerShell, Python, Bash, and Visual Basic for applications. Now, if you felt like you've gotten something valuable out of this information, go ahead and hit the like button, share button, drop a comment, but most importantly, subscribe to the this channel. Also, go check out my website, Technology G, so that you can get read up on the latest and greatest to help you successfully pass the CompTIA Security Plus 601 certification exam. And until next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace.